Hello friends, it's me Alfredo. Today we're going to show you how to check the oil level on a 2010 Ford Taurus. It's an SEL. It's got a 3.5 liter engine. It's a V6 engine. So come with me. Okay, first of all, you gotta pop up the hood. It's already open, so I'm gonna show you that. Now you come all the way here to the engine bay, and we can see that the oil level dipstick is going to be right here. You see that yellow handle right there? Well, that's what you need to look for, okay? So what we're gonna do is that also you're gonna need a napkin, all right? So we're gonna pull the dipstick and then put the napkin right here so that it doesn't drip oil all over your engine, So we're gonna take it out, nice and easy. See, you clean it out. Now I am going to show you right here. Let's see what it says here. See, can you see those two holes right there? So the lower one is gonna be the lower oil level, and the upper one is gonna be the higher oil level. So you always wanna be between those two, okay? You don't wanna be below this one or up higher than the upper one, okay? And let's see what it says. It says Ford Motor Company, base. All right. So once you have this cleaned with your napkin, you're gonna put it back in again, okay? So you put it back in. Make sure it pops in like that. Then you pull it back out, and now this time what you're gonna do is that you're not gonna clean the tip of it, because you want to see actually where is the oil level at. I don't know if you can see that, friends, but the oil level seems to be right here. See where is this? There is this mark, like a squares mark. It's right there where it's supposed to be. If the place where you park your car every day in the morning, you see something like this, once you move your car out, you see, it's obviously because there is something leaking in your car. So it's very important to notice, be aware of it, and it's always a good idea to check your oil level. That's it. All right, friends, thanks for watching. If you liked the video or it helped you in some way, please like us and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions about this car, you can leave the comment in the comments below, and we'll get back to you. All right, thanks for watching.